Nowadays, you need a card for almost anything, whether that's buying things online, you want to use Apple Pay in stores, getting paid from your job straight to your account instead of having to deal with checks every week, or just the fact that you're managing your own money in your own account with your own debit card, are just a few of the benefits that you get when having your own debit card. Personally, I've been looking for the best brokerage to invest in stocks in 2025, and Moomoo is by far the best. As you guys can see here on the homepage, when you guys sign up with my link in the description of the comments, you guys can get up to 60 free stocks and 8.1% APY on all your uninvested cash. It really is the best brokerage account offer out there. I've searched and searched. It's better than all of the competitors. I'll be making a whole video for how to sign up for Moomoo and how to trade using it soon. Sign up for Moomoo today with my link in the description or the comments. Hey, what's up guys? It's Josh or Fusion here, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your own debit card if you are under 18. Now in this video, I'm not going to be giving any advice that's illegal or is going to get you in any sort of harm, because that's never what I'm trying to do here. A lot of this advice that I'm going to be giving, I was using only a couple of years ago to get myself a debit card. Like, I actually had a debit card way back when I was like 9 or 10. Just because of some of these tips I'm about to give you guys. So there's going to be a couple different ways you can go about getting your own debit card when you're under 18. So the first way we're going to be talking about getting a debit card when you're under 18 is going to be a really commonly well-known way, and that's going to be opening up a joint account with your parent or guardian. So if you guys didn't know, with most banks in the US, like Chase Bank, TD Bank, Bank of America, Rockland Trust, any of those banks, you can just walk right into the bank with your parent or guardian and ask to open up a joint bank account. But if you want to have your own debit card and have your own bank account, basically all you'll have to do is get your parent or guardian to go into the bank with you and sign on to your account as the co-owner, and then automatically whenever you turn 18, you're switched to the primary owner anyway. Yeah, it says here on Chase, typically once your child turns 18 and becomes a legal adult, they can transition to a traditional checking account or a college student account. So guys, again, first method, you just need to ask your parent or guardian, hey, I want to get a debit card. Can we go to the bank? And you sign on to the account as the co-owner of the account. A lot of times when you're opening up one of these joint accounts, there's literally no monthly fees either. So you can just tell your parent, hey, I want to have a bank account. I'm feeling more responsible. I have a job. Can I go open a bank account? If you guys aren't already in my Discord server, join on up to Fusion Here Cord. We have a bunch of different things to do in here. We have a food pics channel where we send our food all the time, as well as a brand new economics chat inside of the Discord. We're gonna be talking about money making stuff, stocks, crypto, and any questions you guys might have about debit cards or credit cards. You guys can ask those questions in the economics chat in the Discord. So guys, make sure you join on up to Fusion Here Cord. We'd love to have you in the community. Alright guys, hopping into the second method for how to get a debit card when you're under 18. This one is a little similar to the first method, and this is actually something that I did to get a debit card when I was way younger than I should have. For this method, you're gonna have to have a lot of trust with your parent or guardian. For this method, I recommend opening up an online bank account such as Chime. Chime Bank lets you open up a checking account really easy online. You just fill out your address, they send you the card really fast. But the one thing is that you do need to be 18 to open up the account, so that's where you just have your parent or guardian use their social security number to open up the account for you, and then that means that the card is going to have to be under their name. When you're opening up an account with your parent's social security number, you need to remember that any money that's coming in and out of that account is tied to their social security number, which is taxed. So if you're making thousands of dollars or something, that's going to be taxing your parents with their social security number. So I don't recommend doing this method if you're making a ton of money. Only do this if you're having small amounts of money in and out. But yeah, once again, open up an online bank account such as Chime Bank. There's tons of them out there. Ally Bank, Green Dot Bank. There's tons of different banks like that. Use your parent or guardian's social security number. Make sure you get full permission, and then super easy. You have your own debit card within like less than a week. So guys, if this video so far has helped you out in any way, this video has taken me a lot of time to put together and research. Make sure you guys drop a like on the video, as well as subscribe to Fusion Here if you want more videos on financial advice for teenagers. I have a ton of ideas cooking up, such as how to get your very first credit card and how to get a good credit score at 18. Know a ton of this stuff. So if you guys want more finance videos, drop a like. Make sure you guys go stream my new song Money Up. It came out last month. This video is all about how to get your money up. So if you guys want a song to go along with getting your money up and getting on your grind this year, the song sounds like this. Get your money up, 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 up. Get your money up, 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 up. Get your money up, 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 up. Money Up is out on all platforms, on Spotify, Apple Music, anywhere. The link is going to be in the description for that. I'd really appreciate if you guys would go stream my new song. Alright guys, now for method number 3 on how to get your own debit card under 18. For this method guys, you can buy a Visa gift card using cash at almost any store and then use that online to buy things. Basically, you go with somebody who's 18 to a store, give them however much cash you want, and then they just buy a Visa gift card with that cash and then give it to you, and then boom, you can use that Visa gift card online to buy stuff anywhere. And I mean, come on guys, you have to have like an older brother or sister, or you can definitely convince your parent to bring you to the store and just buy you a Visa gift card using your cash. But if not guys, don't worry, I have more methods that are even better than that. Jumping into method number 4 on how to get your own debit card under 18. Alright, so we have the Venmo teen account. It says here the best of Venmo, now for ages 13 to 17. Seems like all you guys need to do for this one, once your parent or guardian has their own Venmo account created, inside of it, they can choose to create a teen account, which then gives you your very own Venmo debit card. As you guys can see, Venmo Debit, it goes along with your Venmo balance. And by the way guys, I'm gonna have links to all these in the description below. Get no-cost cash withdrawals at in-network ATMs, or set up direct deposit to receive paychecks up to 2 days early. Nice. You can also customize the Venmo card. There's a bunch of different styles you can choose from, a bunch of different colors. And it seems like the Venmo card is a MasterCard, if you guys were wondering. There is no application fee, no monthly fee, and no minimum balance for the Venmo Teen Debit Card. However, other fees may apply for use of the card. Alright guys, now for method number 5 on how to get a debit card under 18. This method basically just involves you guys signing up with some sort of card that again is a joint account. And for this method, this lets you get your own card, but again, you're gonna need to have a joint account with your parent or guardian. But don't worry, because this method is different from the first method we talked about, where this one is easier. You only need to sign up online and you don't actually need to go into a bank with your parent or guardian. So for the first account we're checking out Fidelity Youth. And what I thought was cool about this account is you actually get $50 when you open up the account. It says open an account and download the app, and we'll give teens $50 to get them started. So that's a pretty cool incentive. It says an app built for teens to make, manage, and invest their own money. A debit card with 5 cents back per use and no ATM fees in the US. A teen-owned account with no subscription fees, account fees, or minimum balances. So if you guys want to check out the Fidelity Youth account, I'll leave it linked in the description. I also thought this Greenlight card was interesting. It's pretty much the same thing, a debit card for kids and teens, up to 5% on savings, 1% cash back, investing for the family. So every time you make a purchase, it earns 1% back to your savings. They also have all sorts of investing features in here. They've been featured on all sorts of news places. The next card we're checking out is the Current card, better banking built for teens. Current gives teens the financial freedom they crave with the security and visibility parents want. With a Current Visa debit card, teens can learn to spend, save, and manage their money better from the start. Designed for teens, get your very own Visa debit card to use as you'd like. Use it anywhere you want, online or in stores. Learn to manage and budget money. Get instant transfers. It says right here, parents download the app and sign up for Current. Parents connect a bank account in the app. Teens download Current onto their phone. Parents link the two accounts. So if you guys want to check out Current, I'll have it linked in the description. And then the last one I have for you guys is Copper. It's another account that you open up and have your parent as the joint account owner. Kids earn 5% on savings, so more than some of the other accounts we checked out. Kids get a debit card of their own. You can use it for Apple Pay or Google Pay. Access to 55,000 free ATMs. Learn to save, spend, and budget money, 5% on savings, introduction to the basics of investing, and parents can monitor all spending. It says the card is encrypted, they have privacy protection, and it's FDIC insured up to $250,000, and SIPC insured up to $500,000. If you guys want to check out Copper, I'll have the link in the description. And yeah guys, this has been how to get a debit card under 18. If this video has helped you guys out, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, as well as subscribe to FUZIONHERE for more financial videos for people under 18. And even some more videos coming in the future for people who are over 18 for credit cards and how to build good credit. Which method do you think you're going to try out? Make sure you share in the comments. Or if you've already used one of these methods that I've mentioned, make sure you share it in the comments, share your experience. I'd love to communicate with you guys and answer any questions or concerns you may have. At the end of the day, I'm building a community here, and that's what I really care about. But yeah guys, I'm proud of you for getting your money up. Keep grinding. If you guys don't want to miss those videos, make sure you subscribe to Fusion Here with post notifications on. More finance videos coming soon. And anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you guys go stream my new song, Money Up. The song sounds like this. Get your money up, 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 up. Get your money up, 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 up. Get your money up, 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 up. Money Up is out on all platforms, on Spotify, Apple Music, anywhere. The link is going to be in the description for that. I'd really appreciate it if you guys would go stream my new song. Anyways, guys, this has been Josh for Fusion here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Personally, I've been looking for the best brokerage to invest in stocks in 2025, and Moomoo is by far the best. As you guys can see here on the homepage, when you guys sign up with my link in the description or the comments, you guys can get up to 60 free stocks and 8.1% APY on all your uninvested cash. It really is the best brokerage account offer out there. I've searched and searched. It's better than all of the competitors. I'll be making a whole video for how to sign up for Moomoo and how to trade using it soon. Sign up for Moomoo today with my link in the description or the comments.